Sysco Restaurant Solutions 101, Sysco Restaurant Supply Catalog. Sysco Restaurant Solutions is a suite of services designed to support restaurant owners and operators in various aspects of their business. Here's a detailed breakdown. What it is. Sysco Restaurant Solutions offers a range of services, including marketing, menu design, and business consultations, to help restaurants grow and succeed. How it works. The solutions are tiered based on the customer's purchase volume from Sysco, with each tier offering different levels of service. Customers can access services like Sysco Studio, social media consultation, and menu profitability analysis. Features. Sysco Studio Access, 24/7 platform with training videos, FAQs, and live chat. Menu design, custom designs based on branding and industry trends. Social media consultation, assessment and strategy guide for social media channels. Menu profitability analysis, for premium tier customers, analysis of core menu items. Cons. The services may be less beneficial for smaller restaurants with lower purchase volumes. Some services are only available to higher tier customers, which could limit access for smaller operations. Known issues and fixes. Users may encounter issues with logging into Sysco Studio or finding specific features. The Sysco Studio Help Center provides FAQs and troubleshooting guides to address these problems. Advanced tips for getting started. Utilize Sysco Studio's video training library to familiarize yourself with the platform. Take advantage of the social media consultation to align your online presence with best practices. Engage with Sysco consultants for personalized training on how to maximize the use of Sysco Studio. Alternatives. Some alternatives to Sysco Restaurant Solutions include US Foods, Performance Food Group, PFG, Gordon Food Service, Reyes Holdings, Ben E. Keith Foods, CNS Wholesale Grocers, The Martin Brower Company. These competitors offer similar distribution and value-added services that could serve as alternatives depending on a restaurant's specific needs.